Hi everyone, we are the Group 9 from ICT 102. Now we're presenting our research proposal, Impact of Social Media Engagement on Self-Esteem Among College Students, a Quantitative Analysis. These are group members, Kaiser Owen A. Canicosa, Jefferson L. Gantong, GL N. Pascual, and Andre James G. Tuazon. For introduction, since the birth of the internet, the way people communicate and interact with each other has evolved dramatically. Social media in particular has become a staple in society with over 4.76 billion active users globally, accounting for 59.4% of the world population. Among teenagers and young adults. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter have been seen explosive growth to the point where spend nearly a third of their day on these platforms. Our research focuses on quantifying the relationship between social media engagement and self-esteem among college students. While previous studies have explored the psychological effects of social media broadly, we zoom in on the adolescent population within the educational environment, offering data-driven insights that can be particularly useful for educators and parents. It's important to note that this research does not overlap possible variables affecting self-esteem such as family dynamics, academic performance, or peer relationships, but rather focuses specifically on the impact of social media engagement. The body of literature on the topic reveals the positive and negative effects of social media on self-esteem. Found that social comparison on social media can sometimes inspire and motivate individuals, potentially boosting self-esteem. Also noted that social media integration into cultural practices could foster a positive self-image through shared narratives. Discovered a correlation between low self-esteem and social media addiction, particularly among women, highlight the adverse effects of excessive social media use, excluding exposure to unrealistic beautiful standards, cyberbullying, and social comparison, all contributing to decreased self-esteem. The impact of social media content reported that passive social media use could lead to findings of hopelessness, loneliness, and inferiority. Also emphasized that negative social media interactors could promote unhealthy behaviors, including social installations and decreased academic performance. Gender differences indicates that the effects of social media on self-esteem can vary by gender, with women potentially being more vulnerable its negative impacts due to the greater social comparison tendencies. These findings highlight the dual nature of social media influence on social self-esteem and underscore the importance of understanding how different platforms and usage patterns affect individuals differently. The theoretical framework guiding this study is Fengister's social comparison theory, 1954, which posits the individuals evaluate themselves by comparing their attributes, abilities, and achievements with those of others. Social media platforms provided abundant opportunities for this comparison, often amplifying that the detrimental effects of self-comparison, such as depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. Our study hypothesis that the more time students spend on social media, the more likely they are to engage social comparison, potentially leading to decreased self-esteem. The estimate of the problem. This study aims to explore the perception of college students regarding the impact of social media on their self-esteem. Specifically, it seeks to answer the following question. Number one, is there a significant correlation between the amount of they spend on social media and self-esteem levels among college students? Do male and female college students differ in how social media engagement impacts their self-esteem? What are the most common social media platforms used by college students, and how do these platforms impact their self-esteem? Significance of the study. The answer of this question will contribute to a deeper understanding of how social media influences self-esteem among college students. This knowledge is crucial for developing interventions that promote healthier social media use, ultimately helping to improve the social media well-being students. Additionally, this research could provide vulnerable insights for educators, parents, and policymakers in shaping strategies to mitigate the negative effects of social media on adolescents and young adults.
The research design. The study will employ a quantitative approach to investigate the relationship between social media engagement and self-esteem among college students. Quantitative methods are chosen because they allow for the collection and analysis of numerical data, which is essential for identifying patterns, correlations, and possible relationships between variables. By focusing on measurable data, this approach enables a more objective and systematic analysis of the connection between social media use and self-esteem. A correlational research design will be utilized to explore the relationship between social media engagement and self-esteem. This approach is particularly appropriate as it allows for the assessment of the strength and direction of associations between specific variables. These variables are included the amount of time students spend on social media, the types of social media platforms they use, and the self-esteem levels. By examining the associations, the study aims to provide a clearer understanding of how students' aspects of social media engagement may influence self-esteem among college students. The participants of the study will be will be college students enrolled at Holy Angel University. The total population of college students at the institution of approximately 1,200. To ensure the accuracy and reliability of the research findings, a sample size of 292 students will be selected based on a 5% margin of error and 95% confidence level. This sample size is calculated to provide statistically significant results that reflect the broader students' population. Participants will be selected through a specified random sampling method to ensure that different demographics such as age, gender, and academic program are adequately represented. This approach helps to capture a diverse range of social media engagement patterns and self-esteem levels, providing a comprehensive understanding of the relationship between these variables. To participate in the study, the students must actively enroll in the college and regularly use the social media platforms. Consent will be obtained from all the participants, ensuring that they are fully informed about the study's purpose, procedures, and their right to withdraw at any time without penalty. The data collected will be kept confidential and used solely for research purposes. The primary research instrument for this study will be structured survey questionnaire designed to collect comprehensive data on the social media usage patterns and self-esteem levels of college students. The questionnaire will be divided into several sections, beginning with the demographic information to gather basic details such as gender, age, and academic program, and year level. This demographic data will be essential for analyzing the impact of social media on different groups within the student population. Following the demographic section, the questionnaire will be focused on social media engagement. This section will include questions about the frequency and duration of social media use. The types of social media platforms are commonly used is Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and the primary motivations behind social media use such as social interaction, entertainment, or information seeking. The questions in this section are designed to provide insights into how students interact with social media and the intensity of their engagement. Finally, the questionnaire will be assess participant self-esteem levels using the validated self-esteem scale, such as the Rosenberg self-esteem scale. This part of the questionnaire will be explore how students perceive their self-worth and whether their social media experiences contribute to positive or negative self-esteem. The combination of this section will allow for comprehensive analysis of the relationship between social media engagement and self-esteem among college students. Data gathering procedure. The data collection for this study will be conducted using a structured survey questionnaire administered to collect students. The process will begin by obtaining the necessary permission from the institution administrations and ethics community to ensure that research complies with ethical standards, including informed consent, confidentially, and the right to withdraw. Once a probe is obtained, participants will be selected using stratified random sampling to ensure a representative sample from different academic programs and year levels. The survey will be distributed to students both in person and online depending on their availability and preference. For in-person data collection, the researchers will visit classrooms or common areas within a campus where they will be provided stu- where they will be provided with printed copies of the questionnaire. Participants will be given clear instruction on how to complete the survey and assured of the confidence of the responses. For the online distribution, a digital version of the questionnaire will be created using Microsoft Forms. The link to the survey will be shared for the students via email or through official university communication channels. Participants will be given a specific period to complete the survey within the remainder set periodically to encourage participation. The data collection period is expected to last 2 to 3 weeks to ensure an adequate response rate. The researchers will carefully review the data to check for completeness and consistency, excluding the incomplete and invalid responses from the analysis. Throughout the data gathering process, the researchers will maintain a rigorous focus on ethical considerations, ensuring that all participants are treated with respect and their privacy is protected. Data analysis. Once the data collection is complete, the gathered responses will be systematically processed and analyzed using statistical software. The first step will be involve data cleaning, where the data set will be reviewed for any incomplete, inconsistent, and invalid entries, which will be then removed by the analysis to ensure accuracy and reliability. Descriptive statistical will be employed to summarize the demographic characteristics of the participants, including age, gender, and academic program. This will provide an overview of the sample population and help in understanding the context of the data. To understand the research questions, inferential statistics will be used. Pearson's correlation coefficient will be calculated to assess the strength and direction of the relationship between social media engagement and self-esteem level among the students. Additionally, independent sample t-tests will be significant conduct to examine whether there are significant differences in self-esteem based on gender. All statistical tests will be conducted at 95% confidence level, and p-values less than 0.05 will be considered statistically significant. The results will be presented in the form of tables, charts, and graphs will be help in visualizing the data and interpreting the findings. Finally, the results will be discussed in relation to existing literature, and the conclusions will be drawn regarding the impact of social media engagement on self-esteem among college students. Ethical considerations to the study will adhere to ethical standards in research. Participant for confidentiality will be maintained by anonymizing data and identifying information will be collected. The study will be approved by the university ethics community and procedures will comply with institutional guidance for research involving human subjects. Thank you guys. That's all for our research. We are group 9. Thank you.